Chapter 1. Input and Output Devices. Introduction. The computer system works with the help of hardware and software. All the physical devices that can be seen and touched are called hardware. They can be divided further into 4 categories. Input devices, processing devices, output devices, storage devices. Software is a set of instructions that make a computer work. Software can be further divided into 2 categories. System software, application software. Both hardware and software are interdependent. Without hardware, software is of no use. Similarly, without software, a computer cannot work. IPO cycle. A computer is an electronic machine that accepts information, processes it, and gives output according to the given instruction. It is an amazing machine which can do a variety of tasks at a time for us. A computer system works on the principle of input process output. This principle is known as 1PO cycle. Input, process, output. Input devices. The devices that are used to enter data and instructions are called input devices. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse and microphone. Common input devices. 1. Keyboard. It is one of the most common input devices that is used for typing words and numbers. It has many buttons or keys with numbers, letters and symbols marked on them. The keys having numbers marked on them are known as number keys, and the keys having letters marked on them are known as alphabet keys. In addition to these keys, there are various other keys such as function keys, cursor control keys, etc., which have specific functions. To mouse, it allows us to give input by using pointing, clicking, double-clicking and dragging actions. A mouse is used to draw pictures and play games. It is also used to control the movement of a pointer. 3. Microphone. It is used to record voice, music and sound into the computer system. Sound cards enable the computer to record sound input from a microphone connected to the computer. Apart from recording sound in computer, a microphone is used in many applications such as telephones, hearing aids, tape recorder, etc. Other input devices. 1. Light pen. It is a pointing device shaped like a pen. It is used to draw lines and images directly on the screen. It is connected to the VDU. It is only used with CRT monitors. It is mainly used by engineers, fashion designer, etc. 2. Joystick. It is also a pointing device that is used to move objects on the screen. It helps in playing computer and video games. Some joysticks allow movement in only 4 directions, namely forward, backward, left and right, whereas other joysticks allow movement in all directions, 360 degrees. A simple joystick has only 1 or 2 buttons and a trigger. However, some have many buttons and advanced capabilities. 3. OCR. It stands for Optical Character Recognition. It is the electronic conversion of scanned images, a handwritten and typed text into machine-encoded text. 4. Web camera. It captures images in its view and inputs them into the computer. It is primarily used to share pictures and have live chat with our friends and relatives using internet. 5. Touch screen. It is a computer screen that is sensitive to human touch. To interact with the computer, one has to touch the words or pictures on the screen. 6. Scanner. It is used to scan the text or images from the printed page and convert it into digital form so that it can be viewed on the computer screen. Scanner can be broadly classified as graphical scanners and text scanners. Graphical scanners read photos or other images into the computer and digitize them, producing graphics files. Text scanners read pages of text and produce editable text files. Output devices. The devices that display result or information are called output devices. This information is displayed on the monitor or can be printed onto paper. 1. Monitor. It is also known as visual display unit. It shows the work done by the computer. It looks like a television. The output that we get on a monitor is called the soft copy. There are 3 types of monitors. CRT monitor. CRT monitors are less expensive. CRT monitors consume more electricity. LCD monitor. LCD monitors are thinner, lighter and consuming less electricity. LCD monitors are costly. OLED, organic light emitting display. OLED monitors are thinner and brighter than LCD monitors. They display sharper images than LCD monitors using less power. 2. Speakers. Speakers are used to generate sound as an output. Some speakers are built inside the system unit and some are attached from outside. We can listen to music on a computer using speakers. 3. Plotter. It is used to take large printouts of drawings onto paper sheets. 4. Headphone. It is the output device that is used for listening to music and sound effects. It allows us to hear the sound by plugging headphone into our ears without disturbing others. 5. Printer. It is an output device that generates hard copy of our data. The data may be a text, picture or both. There are 3 types of printers: dot matrix, inkjet and laser printers. Dot matrix printer. It works like a typewriter and creates impressions by striking on the paper. It is very noisy. Inkjet printer. It sprays droplets of ink on paper to form text and graphics. It can print both colored as well as black. Laser printer. It uses laser beams and dry ink to print. It is very fast and gives high-quality output. It is mostly used in publishing house. Processing devices. Central Processing Unit, CPU. It is the processing device in the computer. The CPU is also called the brain of the computer. The CPU is present inside the CPU box. The CPU does all the calculations of the computer. It works, or processes, on the input data and converts it into desired output or information. The CPU consists of 3 parts: the control unit, CU, the arithmetic and logical unit, ALU, and the memory unit, MU. 1. ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. It does all the arithmetic calculations. 2. CU, Control unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It tells other parts of the computer what they should do. 3. Mu. Memory unit. It stores data and information temporarily or permanent according to our need.